We started now. I will discuss about matrix multiplication. How matrix can be two matrices can be multiplied. So let's see. For two order, it's very easy to multiply matrices. Matrices. Let's this is A, B, first row, second row, C, D. How this can be multiplied with other matrix? Let's say A1 plus, oh sorry, A1, B1, first row, C1, D1, second row. Two rows, two columns. How can we multiply? There is a certain rule. A certain rule is that this is a necessary condition for multiplying two matrices, three matrices. Necessary condition is that you know that matrix multiplication is not commutative. So you have to maintain means A, B, matrix multiplication A cross B would not be equal to or generally not equal to B cross A. That's why what is the first matrix, what is the second matrix, this is the important thing. So if I take A is a first matrix and B is a second matrix and A is of order m cross n means mth row and n column, and the matrix that I am taking second matrix, these are on the half. These two matrices are square matrices. They are easy to multiply. But if the matrices are not square, then this is the necessary condition for matrix multiplication. This is P cross Q. This can be multiplied if and only if. This is a certain rule. If and only if n is equal to P. Means the first matrix's column number and the second matrix's rows number must be equal. Then it can be multiplied. Otherwise, it cannot be multiplied. So now I am taking an ordinary example from matrix multiplication. Take this is 1, 2, 0. This is 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 1, 0. I want to multiply with this is 3 cross 3. So I have to take at least 3 rows in the second matrix. So 3 rows must happen. I am taking 3 rows. 3, 1, 2. So this can be multiplied because it has 3 rows. 3 cross 1. How can it be multiplied? This rule is that first row always multiplied with first column to get the first row. So what is the first row? After multiplication, the first row will be each element multiply with each element with the column. This is a column matrix. This is a row. So row and the column matrix multiplied. 3 1 3 3 3 1 is 3 plus 2 1 is 2 and 1 is 2 plus 0 multiplied to 0. Again, for getting the second row, we'll take the second row second row and first column. So it will be 3 3 is 9 plus 3 1 is 3 plus 2 2 is 4 2 2 is 4, and then getting third member, third row and third first column will be multiplied. 5 3 is 15 plus plus 1 1 is 1 and 2 and 0 multiplied by we get 0. So you can very easily now calculate 3 to 3 plus 2 is 5, 9 plus 3 12 plus 4 16, and 15 1 16 and 9 25. So in this way matrix multiplication can be done. I am giving another example. If the orders are more similar, more bigger, then what will be? 3 3 example, 3 3 order. This is more important. 1 2 1 3 1 1 2 1 with another matrix 0 1 0 2 0 1 1 1 0. How these two square matrix can be multiplied? So there, this is 3 3 and this is 3 3. So this matrix can be multiplied. So here the first row and first column will multiply first. The first element of the first row. So this will be 2 2 is 4 and 1 1 is 1. So 5. Now to get the second element of the first row and second column. So it will be just 1 and 1 2. And for getting the third element of the first row, we will multiply first row and third column. It will be just 2. For getting the second row, first element will be obtained by second row and first column. So this will be 2 and 1 3. To get the second element of the second row, we will multiply second row and second column. So this will be 3 and 1 4. And to get the third element of the second row, we multiply second row third column. So it will be just 1. And getting the third row, we will multiply third row and first column. This will be 2 and 2 4. This is 2. This is 2. So 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2 4. There is 0. And second element can be obtained. Multiply second row and second column. This will be 4 2 plus 2 4. And third element can be obtained by multiplying third row and third column. This will be just only 1. So in this way matrix multiplication can be done. I'm giving one more example. Can it be multiplied? This is your homework. Must do. It is your homework. If I am take 1, 2, 3, 4 with the matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 8, sorry, 8, 1 and 0. This is 0. Then it can be multiplied or not. Send me the answer in my comment box. This is your question. Send me the question answer in my comment box. Comment me if this matrix can be possible or not. And at last, I must appeal to all of you to subscribe this channel and to watch all the videos, latest videos. Subscribe this channel and share all the videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.